Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding.
Let's just all close, dude.
Anonymous donated $3. Crack a girl's back and I will donate 100.
I got you, dude. I got you, dude. Let's just close, dude. Hi. Can I crack your back?
Huh?
Crack your back? I'm a chiropractor.
I'm a what?
Hold this.
Oh no, I'm good.
I'm trying to crack a back around here.
Oh.
Come here. Can I crack your back? Can I crack your back?
Did I crack my back?
Yeah.
Crack my. I'm just carrying a lot of ass.
Why
Well,
you see all that?
Anonymous donated $3. Offer is getting higher. All you need to do is crack a girl's back and I will donate $150.
My man. Hey, come here, dude. Hey. My man. Can I, like, chiropractor your back for a second? No. That sounds lit. Monday sales. Dude, let's go, dude. 150 for a back crack. That sounds lit. Free back crack here. Ew. Free back crack here. Free back crack here. Free back crack here. Free chiropractor back crack here. Hey, I got you, dude.
Anonymous donated $3. It has to be a girl.
What's up? That's fair, dude. That's fair, dude. Hi. Hey, can I crack your back? Can I crack your back? I'm not putting it on you. I respect it. But may I crack your back? Please. Come on, it'll be fun. You can hold it. You can hold it. You can hold it. You know, it's gonna feel good. Complete consent. There you go. All right, turn around like this. We'll put it down like this. How about this? You felt it, right? Sorry, I didn't want to make it weird, but figure it out. Oh. I don't know what you're going through right now,
Anonymous has just donated
but I'm assuming you're like trying to like
$150.
get yourself
Good
home,
job,
right?
Blade.
What are you trying to do right now?
I'm sorry, let's begin.
Okay. I'm saying if you need an Uber somewhere, I would have paid for it because you just made me some money. Ew, that's lit. Hi, what's your name? Sorry.
No mind.
Okay. Never mind.
You?
Dixie Wreck has just donated $5. What's the plan, dude?
I'm just streaming. Sorry for bothering you, but people like I crack backs, and people wanted me to crack your back, and they just pay me for it. So I don't know. And I appreciate you. Thank you. I'm not trying to be weird. So. Do you know if any bars are open right now? No, it's kind of late. Should probably go back to the hotel and get weird, right? Yeah. She knows. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. shit.